Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix screen won't rotate issue on your iPhone 15 stories. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining that their screen is not rotating and they don't know what to do. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix screen won't rotate issue on your iPhone 15 stories. So guys, first of all you have to check if the screen rotation is locked. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the control center and check if the screen rotation is lock is enabled. If it's enabled, then simply disable it. After disabling it, then you have to check the screen orientation settings. Check if the orientation lock switch is off. After checking this tool, when you're still facing the same issue, then you have to force restart your iPhone. Simply press and quickly release your volume up button, then press and quickly release your volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This will force restart your iPhone and may fix the issue. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to update your iPhone software. Simply go to your settings, then tap on your general, then tap on software update. Then tap on software update and check if there are any available updates for your iPhone. If there are, simply install them and update your iPhone 15 to the latest iOS version. After updating this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for an app issue. Some apps may not support screen rotation or may have bugs that prevented it from working. Try using a different app and see if the screen rotates properly. After applying this all solution, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restore your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Select iPhone and click Restore iPhone to restore your iPhone to its factory default settings. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.